Two Nation, you know what time it is, man. So we're gonna do this early for Taco Tuesday. Double taco, salmon and peach taco. Yeah, salmon and peach. It's gonna be interesting. I put all the ingredients in the description below. If you guys look at this, there's a hibiscus tortilla. Okay, the salmon's grilled. Okay, all right. So I expect it to have a very fresh, light taste. I'm gonna say that off the rip. I'll let you guys see it. Let's get it. There you go. And it's avocado crema, arugula, peach salad with grilled peaches, and Thai basil. Another, like I said, rest ingredients will be in the description. So let's get a bite of this and see what we're talking about. Salmon's good, it's grilled. Almost like a smoky flavor to it. I don't taste any of the peach yet. Let's get another bite. I taste the pickled onions. Still no peach. And the heat it has a little bit of heat to it. There we go. So it's a subtle sweetness. It's not like peach. You're thinking peach like peach pie, peach cobbler. With added sugar, it's the actual peach. And the sweetness from the peach, so it's subtle. But it needs to be more of a taco. I mean, the taco didn't distribute it well enough to blend in with everything else. Because the sweet supposed to, the sweet and the heat supposed to hit you kind of at the same time. So I kind of a cooling warmth. So it's weird to describe it, but this is a good taco. This is a good taco. Like I said, they're all their seafood tacos have always been great. They've been doing damn good with the seafood tacos, so I can recommend this one for sure. We're gonna get this last 2 bites in here. Yeah. Go get that one. That's a good one. Till next time, peace and blessings. I say.